Yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real.
Hey, what's going on, Bistro family, and welcome back to my channel. Now today we got the most amazing chopped cheese. So we're going New York style. We're gonna go as traditional as possible. So the first thing we're gonna do is get you some good ground beef, and then I'm using ground chuck. We get some lettuce, some shredded lettuce, or you can shred your lettuce yourself. Get you some Roma tomatoes or some beefsteak tomatoes, pretty much your preference. Then we're gonna get some ketchup, some mayo, and I like Duke's. I don't think you need to use salad dressing for this. And then some King's Hawaiian rolls, because we are making chopped cheese sliders, and then a half of a yellow onion. So once you get all these ingredients together, we're going to go ahead and toast our bread. Since we're making sliders, we'll go ahead and toast the sliders first. And I did put a little butter down there just to toast them up a little bit, but you don't have to make these extra buttery because the sliders are going to be oily themselves. All right, then we had some complete seasoning. I think traditionally New Yorkers use adobo seasoning. I didn't have any of that, so the closest thing I had to that was some complete seasoning by Lawry's. So I went ahead and seasoned it up with that, and I got my patties down, and I had 3 patties. I just broke the third patty up just to get it on my grill. And then once we get the patties on the grill and seasoned up, go ahead and pop your onions down. And you want the onions to you want to make sure you letting the onions touch the surface of the grill, because you want to get them caramelized and that beef fat. Then we letting it go. Traditionally, chopped cheese are cooked in a bodega, so we're not going to get that bodega flavor, because at the bodega, you probably got some eggs, bacon, and all that cooking on the grill at the same time, so you got tons of flavor there. But we're gonna make it work with this. All right, so once your burger patties are down for about 3 minutes, go ahead and flip them, guys. You want them to have some color on there, and you can get a little more color than I did. I flipped mine a little bit too early, but once you get them flipped, go ahead and season that backside, and then go ahead. I did let it sit for like maybe 2 minutes, and then I began to start chopping the burger patty up. And once I started chopping it up, I just started mixing the onions in there, getting everything incorporated. And then I did layer it flat, just so I can get some more caramelization on the patties while they were chopped up. And you'll see that here in just a second. And I'm just flipping everything, just getting everything mixed in, well incorporated. This step here is kind of like you making a Philly cheesesteak, honestly. But you're just getting everything situated and incorporated, and everything marrying together. All right, that's my flat layer there, and like I said, I'm doing that just to get some extra caramelization on the patties, and then getting the onions a little bit more caramelized. But yeah, just make sure you keep it moving and getting it together. All right, once it's ready, you go ahead and put your cheese on there, and you want this cheese action to be very melty when you get the chopped cheese put together. Now I didn't mix my cheese in my chopped cheese because I didn't want to get all the cheese on my my skillet here and have to scrape it off later. So I just let that sit, and while that's sitting melting the cheese, I just went ahead and got the mayo down on my slider rolls. And like I said, traditionally only 2 spreads to go on this sandwich is mayo and ketchup, so I went on with the Duke's mayo and then a good drizzle of ketchup, and now I'm putting the chopped cheese on there. And like I said, you see earlier when I said it's like cooking a Philly cheesesteak, the resemblance here at the finished product, it's like a Philly cheesesteak, honestly. All right, and then from there I went on with our Roma tomatoes, and I did put a little kosher salt on those Roma tomatoes just to season them up a little bit. And then after the Roma tomatoes, we're going on with our shredded lettuce, and you can put how much lettuce on there you like. We kind of like lettuce here, lettuce and tomatoes, so I kind of piled them up on there, but that's pretty much your preference. But this sandwich does need those, guys. All right, from the lettuce, we're going to go ahead and drop the top and put our top breads back on there. I didn't do anything to the top bun because we got so much going on here. I didn't think I need to dress the top buns, but I went ahead and cut them up into individual sliders, and there you have it, man. The most amazing chopped cheese from the Bistro. Like I said, traditionally a bodega, you had so much going on that grill, so a real authentic New York chopped cheese will probably be 10 times better than this. But I think we did a good job in the comfort of our home making this iconic chopped cheese. And like I said, we did our little spin on it. We didn't use any fresh bread or anything like that. We made sliders. So I didn't see a chopped cheese slider video on YouTube, so that was my direction behind that, just to make the video kind of like my own. But there you have it, man, the most amazing chopped cheese. And I'm gonna let you see the insides here in a second as well. But before I do that, you guys hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share, and subscribe. The channel is growing, and I appreciate you guys, especially the ones who've been with me since day one. Thank you so much. But yeah, man, we're gonna get our shot of the inside. This baby is beautiful. Yeah, man. Chopped cheese from the Bistro. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Chopped cheese. I catch you guys on the flip side. I'm out.